Hello, all of you. Welcome back to our channel. I am Kumar Singh. In this video series, we are creating a live streaming application, as you all know. But from too many days, I did not upload any of the part of this series. I was really busy due to some reasons. So now I'll put an end to this series. It was a live streaming application from the beginning of this series. So let's end this series by completing all the necessary function and that was needed and remove all unnecessary functionalities and code that we written in this app source code. So the first functionality was a splash screen and then login and register and then homepage where there was 4 fragments. First one was discover where we offer 2 function for you where you can see top streams and nearby. Okay, so we have done all these things, but what we are going to remove from this app is incoming outgoing call and wallet screen. And now just we have to change some of those things here and create a edit profile. So here edit profile screen. Okay, so let's do it. We are gonna name it profile, and in here I'll create an empty views activity and name it as edit profile activity. Generate a layout and the code will be Kotlin. Okay, so just go to the profile fragment, and as you can see here, just copy all this layout code and paste it here, and also change it to edit profile. And the background, as for the background, okay, no, main activity. So this is our background color, just replace it. And as you can see here, and so now on, what we have to do, profile photo, name, location, about, and this one is the button. Okay, so just remove all this code and as for here, also this one, and go to login screen and copy this text box and place it here, and I'll name it as username, okay, and it to profile, text color white, okay, hint color also white, box stroke. I think I'll need to create another file. Dark edit text, okay, and paste all this code here. And as for the high, and we just okay, close, and as we have just change it all this edit text color to dark edit text. Okay, and we'll need some drawables here, so I'll just go for it, data, icons, and line at. So I'll name it at, okay, and I think I'll need a user icon also. So I don't think I need. Okay, so I'll just copy it from here and place it here, and full name. So username, name, profile, email, location, gender, age. Okay, so name. Let's copy all this code. So I'm pausing this video here. Okay, so here this one is location. Okay, location, and below email. Okay, and as for the margin top, it will be, I think, 15 dp will be much better. So just replace it with 15 dp, and username, I think I have placed it 2 times. Okay, username, name, email, location, and below location. As for this activity to open, I'll go to profile fragment, okay, here, and binding dot edit dot set on click listener, start activity, intent, require context, and edit profile activity class.java. Okay, rerun the application, and now when I click on that button, where edit profile button, it will open this activity. What happened? Logcat. So what happened here? Null pointer exception. Val, sorry, get init variable binding activity edit profile binding. Okay, and binding dot root binding equal activity dot inflate. Sorry. Okay, inflate layout inflator. And as for this, I don't have this type of ID, so I'll just name it ID and edit profile. Copy this ID from here and paste here. Now let's run this application. This is the last video of this application series. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this is our activity edit profile, and okay, due to scroll view, okay, so I don't need this scroll view here. So just remove this code and all this. Okay, and replace with the closing tag. And now it is perfect. Name and username. So username must be below username, and email then location. And as for the drawable of full name, replace it with profile. And as for email, envelope, and location. Okay, and it will save profile. And here I'll just okay, that's fine. Okay, so right now I'm just defining these 4 fields here to edit and save into the DB. So you can define also for this gender and age or about section. Okay, so just everything's fine, all right. Just open edit profile and write code for edit profile, set on click listener, and wait a minute, edit. So this button is edit. Okay, so it will check for this fields validation text dot edit text dot text to string. And okay, email location. Okay, and we need to change some. As for this one, text person name, also this field. Okay, so now for the validation I'll use if statement. If user is empty, then show a toast message dot make text. Username is empty, toast dot length short dot show. Else if username dot length is lower than 3, 5. Okay, then also we need to show toast message. Username must be 5 chars or more. As for same for name field is empty. Full name is empty. And this same here, name, and it to 3. Full name must be 3 chars or more. And now email is empty. Email field is empty. And email dot patterns dot email address dot matcher email dot matches. So by using this code, uh, we can validate email address if the pattern matches with the email field. Okay, so here we used this exclamation mark to define not. In programming, this exclamation mark is used to not like if something is written as this in condition, that it means is not equal to. Okay, so that's why I used this here. If the email field does not match with pattern, then it will show a toast message. Email address is invalid. Okay, else. Now location is empty. Location is empty. Location must be okay. Just remove it. Okay. Else. Now our work starts from here. To save into DB, what we have to do here is wait a minute. Main activity update room. No. Again, this is room creation and update profile. Okay, so here it is. Close it. So by using this endpoint, we can update profile. So I'll just copy this code from here and place it here. And now update profile. Username. 1 minute. I think username. It set it to focus. Well, just remove it. Okay. So don't need to change username and it to profile and margin top to 30. Okay, 40. Okay, so and from now here also this code. Okay, username. As we save our profile in local database or shared preferences. Okay, so I'll just copy this code from here and place it, and as for here. Okay, so now this user profile binding dot and as for here edit text dot text user dot name. Okay, also the same goes for these fields. Email, as for email address, location. Okay, so now here user dot username, map to map of. Okay, so here main activity. Okay, so where is the model? Here. Okay, so name is the name, email, location. Okay, so now name, email, location. Okay, Now run this application and let's see if this code works or not. So the current user, let's check Jojo. Okay, these are the data. Jyoti, location to Delhi, save profile. Okay, here we have to throw a toast message if our work is perfectly done. So here, profile updated, toast.lunch.show. Otherwise, it will show a toast message for failed and response dot message. Okay, and reload this. As you can see, data was changed, but we did not add a function to show a message. That's why it is not ended. So now it will be Janam, okay, and it will janam@gmail.com, and it will Pune, save profile updated. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so now edit profile done. Logout profile fragment log terms and privacy binding dot privacy care ID terms and privacy. And as for the wallet, we're going to remove this function, so just remove this code and also this fade of fact terms dot set on business now privacy. So we can create a web view here. Okay, so let's create a function. Open browser and URL to string. And as for here, intent action dot view, intent action view, and oh sorry, well, intent dot set data URI dot parse URL start activity intent. Okay, so here open browser https google.com open browser https google.com. Now run this application. Okay, it's working perfectly. Wait a minute, google.com. So here replace it with your uh, terms URL, and this one to privacy policy URL. Okay, and as you can see, this one is for logout, and this one for edit profile. Okay, so everything's done here. Now matches, create live room, search for you and nearby. Okay, as for the nearby adapter and nearby binding dot profile dot set on click listener, and so when we click on this profile image, it will redirect us to live streaming activity. Okay, so as for the live streaming activity, I think we made some mistake. We are taking user here, but we need to add live. Okay, so as for the live, I'll just okay, and now replace it with Discord and room contacts user room. Okay, and on bind view holder. List dot size. Okay, and now as for this nearby fragment, matches adapter, match fragment. Okay, so user matches update lives. Okay, this one is the code for lives. Nearby get lives and okay, get lives. Update recycler view. Get lives. Remove this code. Adapter. Nearby adapter. List adapter. And rooms, users, and was okay, and this one good. And now update recycler view. Okay, and as for the okay, now it's correct. There are 3 rooms, and I think there is a mistake with nearby adapter, so let's find it. Users and user. Okay, log.e users dot to string. Okay, so run application again. Error 40 minutes. We did not get any idea for users. Okay, so yeah, we removed users. So here we have to do if current user location is equal to the user location, then it will add user to filtered list, and then from the filtered list, if the filtered list is not empty, then it will call for get lives, and then it will update recycler view. Let's check it. It's working correctly. Okay, so when we click on this profile image, it must redirect us to Livestreaming. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so we just fixed nearby. Done. Search fragment, it is also done. Shanam. Okay, done. Create from, done. Matched profiles, done. Okay, so now we need to add this functionality also. So matches fragment. In the matches fragment, we will show matched vehicles profile. Okay, we does not want to show this. Below tabs. Okay, tabs. Get lives. Okay, and matches adapter. Copy this code from here and paste here. Name Okay, and everything is all right. Users, no, it's correct. Rooms, users, and now everything's fine. Remove this code and go to get lives and update recycler view. Nearby fragment, here user get lives, then okay, get user, then get lives, then update user, recycler view. Okay, let's run this application. Remove this code. No matches available for you right now. So why the matches are not available is because okay, so I've changed the location of this journal. So profile, Vihan, okay, so that's why now everything's fine. Okay, close. Matches done. Now for you activity fragment. As for the for view fragment, profile, and okay, name, uh, remove this text button, sorry, material button, uh, wrap content, and background tint to pink. Okay, corner radius to 50 dp and text to open live, sorry, live, size to 18 sp and font family will be same semi bold. Padding horizontal will be 25 dp, more than it. Okay, and padding vertical, sorry, vertical will be 10 dp, 15, 20. Okay, now remove this code and it to id open live and margin horizontal must be 20 dp. Now run this application again. uh, okay, so here open live. I'll provide this code. I'll provide this application's code into description box. You can download it from there. It will be uploaded on my GitHub profile. Okay, so we run this application and now as for the for you, top view streams must visit appear. Okay, so it will be same as we did in matches profile or nearby. Okay, so right here, get users and it to close, and also this one. Then now filtered, so now set data. Okay, so set data will be called set data users, and here profile. Okay, so here's the code. Live users. So first we will get users from the DB. Okay, so here it is, API client get profile, then the callbacks. If response is successful, then get user in a variable, then call the get live function and pass users into it. Then in the get live function, it will call the API endpoint get rooms, and it will here it is rooms variable and live users. So here users will filter all the data if current user matches with any room user ID. Okay, so when room contains a user, then it will show the data. Okay, run this application, copy this code and paste it here, room. Okay, so here the room is. So now what we have to do is find user room. Okay, so as for room equal rooms dot, I think, okay, let init variable room. Okay, wait a minute, private variable rooms list room equal array list. Okay, so now rooms is declared. Dot find it dot room id equal user dot profile id, user id. Done. Open live. Okay, it's working. So everything is done. And now this is the last part of this series. Thank you all of you. Now what we have to do? Now it's done. Thank you all. And from now here, we will create short series, short videos for explaining concepts of programming or about APIs or anything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the code of this series will be available in my GitHub profile, so you can download it from there. So now it's time to say goodbye. Happy coding.